Hey there, I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Do you have questions about Rochester, Minnesota? So whether you're moving here, you're investing, or you're just plain curious, this video will answer some of the most common and trending questions that we get asked all the time about Rochester. And don't forget, please reach out to Domaille Real Estate for any help or guidance that you need. Hi guys, I'm Kelly Domaille and I own Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty in Rochester, Minnesota. I help people buy, sell, and relocate here all the time. So I've heard just about every question when it comes to moving to Rochester. So today I'm answering the top questions we get asked about our great city. What is Rochester, Minnesota best known for? Well, Rochester is best known for being the home of the world-renowned Mayo Clinic. This top-tier medical institution really attracts healthcare professionals, researchers, and patients from all over the world. But beyond healthcare, Rochester is also known for its thriving job market, excellent education system, and high quality of life. Is Rochester an expensive place to live? That's the second question we get. Well, while Rochester offers a pretty high standard of living, it actually remains more affordable than many major metro areas. The cost of housing is lower compared to cities like Minneapolis or Chicago, and Minnesota has no sales tax on clothing or groceries, so that really helps keep everyday expenses more manageable. Now, another question I get all the time is, what's the weather like in Rochester? Well, Rochester experiences all four seasons, offering nice warm summers, very colorful falls, snowy winters, and fresh spring weather. So while winters can be pretty cold, the city is very well equipped with snow removal and indoor activities, which makes managing it very easy for all of our residents. The next question is, what is the real estate market like in Rochester? Rochester's real estate market is really strong and growing thanks to the stability provided by the Mayo Clinic and other major employers. There's a mix of historic homes, new construction, and suburban developments. So we really get to offer a variety of housing options that will help fit different lifestyles and budgets. So if you'd like to know more about living in Rochester, Minnesota, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. And please follow us on all of our socials. And if you have any additional questions, or maybe just some feedback, please put those down below. We'd love to hear from you. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and again, I hope to see you in the next video.